Hey, what is up everybody? It is AJ here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 different ways of saving your BitLocker key in Windows 10 and Windows 11. One caveat around BitLocker is that you need the Pro version or the Enterprise version of Windows 10 and 11. So if you have a Windows 10 Home or Windows 11 Home machine, you don't have BitLocker enabled. The 3 ways we're going to look at is saving it to your Microsoft account so it's stored online, printing out the key so you can have a physical copy of it later, or the way I usually use is using a USB key just to quickly grab it off the machine and then have it stored for later on. So let's jump on the computer and look at the 3 different ways of accessing your BitLocker key in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So I'm here on my Surface laptop, and the first thing I'm going to do is just go to the Start menu and type in the word BitLocker. This is going to bring up the search, and the first option under Best Match is Manage your BitLocker key, and we're going to select on this option here. This is going to launch us into our settings. I'm just going to go full screen for now. And then over here, you can see you have Suspend Protection, Backup your recovery key, or Turn off BitLocker. What we're going to select on is Backup your recovery key. This is going to pull up a new dialog box, and it's going to give us 3 options of saving our BitLocker key. And also down the bottom there is a web link of how can I find my recovery key later. We're going to look at that in a second. So the first option of saving your BitLocker key is just selecting on the option of saving it to your Microsoft account. So if you've set up your computer and you're signed in with your Microsoft account, simply selecting on Save to your Microsoft account is going to save that to your Microsoft account, so your Hotmail or your work account. There's nothing else you have to do here. I've just gone Save and then off we go. But how do you recover it from here? Well, if you want to recover it from your Microsoft account, the easiest way of doing this is selecting on the option down the bottom, how can I find my recovery key later? Let's open this up, and this is going to take us to the web browser. From here, it's going to show us a little bit about what BitLocker is. And if we scroll at the top here, it says in your Microsoft account. And then you're simply going to select on the option of sign in with your Microsoft account. And this is going to take us straight to the BitLocker page of our Microsoft account. So you can see it's loaded us straight to the page of our Microsoft account where we can see all our BitLocker recovery keys for our devices. On the left-hand side, you have your device name. Some computers actually have their generic name, which may be a little bit hard to identify if you have multiple. Other computers that I've renamed, like the top one here, I've put that there so it's easier for me to identify. Then next up you have your key ID, and then you have your recovery key as well. So this is all you need to do to access your recovery key from your Microsoft account. Now let's look at the second way of saving your BitLocker key, which I actually use the most often, and that's just saving it to Now let's have a look at the second way of saving your BitLocker key, and it's the option I use most frequently, which is just saving it to an external USB drive. So I'm just going to pop in the USB into the computer, and then I'm going to select on the option here. Let's close out of that USB. I'm going to select on Backup your recovery drive again, and then I'm going to select on Save to a file, and then I'm simply going to select on the recovery drive here. It doesn't have to be called recovery. I just use this for something else before, and I'm just going to go Save. And now if I launch into that USB key, just go Date Modified, and you see the top one here is my BitLocker key. So that's saved externally on the USB drive, and that way I can plug it into another computer while I'm using the key, and I can work and put the key in while reading it off another screen. So it's really handy. The third way of accessing your recovery key is simply printing it out. I don't know if I really recommend printing it out, but you could choose to print it and save it as a PDF document and store it somewhere like your OneDrive. But that's the third option here, where I simply select on Print the recovery key. It's going to pop up with a dialog box saying how do you want to print it. You could send it straight to OneNote if you store things in there, or you could simply save it as a Microsoft Print to PDF. Go Print, choose where you want to save it. I'll just save it on the desktop for now. I'll call it recovery key. Hit Save, and then simply go Finish. And then I go to my desktop, and I now have my recovery key saved as a PDF. So there you have it. It is that easy. There's 3 different ways there to restore your BitLocker key in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you guys found this video useful, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to supercharge the ways of your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.